Okay, in this video, we are going to talk about missing coordinate using midpoint. So first of all, you should know the midpoint formula on a number line. So let's say if you have a segment AB and you have a point C. If point C is in the middle, then segment AC is congruent to segment CB. They are equidistant. This we have already studied, and they are equal, or you say congruent, right? Now, what will be the formula for midpoint if this point is, let's say, x1 and this point is x2? What will be the formula for point C? X1 plus x2 over 2. This is on a number line, right? This is on a number line. Now, what if I ask you on a coordinate plane? On a coordinate plane, let's say if you have a segment AB and if you have a point C in the middle, right? Then here, this point, let's say x1 comma y1, and this point is x2 comma y2. Then the coordinate for point C will be x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. This is what we have studied for midpoint theorem. Now, how we will use these formulas to find the missing coordinate? Let's take an example and let's try to solve it. So for example, if you have a segment AB and here the coordinates are, let's say, -3 comma 4. You have a midpoint here. The coordinate for midpoint is, let's say, 6 and 8. What will be the coordinate for B? So how will you do it? Okay, let's continue from here. So the x coordinate for point C, the x coordinate for point C will be x1 plus x2 over 2. This point is given, so xc will be 6, x1 is -3 plus x2 we don't know over 2, right? Let's say this is x2 comma y2. Now you just have to solve this cross multiplication. So 12 is equal -3 plus x2. You do plus 3 both side, and x2 will be equal to 15. Any question in this? Okay, so x coordinate we have seen is 15, right? Now let me just write it down. Now we have to find the y coordinate. So for y coordinate, yc will be equal to y1 plus y2 over 2. The y coordinate of c is 8 and y1 is 4 plus y2 over 2. Again the cross multiplication, so that will be 2 times 8, 16 equal. Now you know this, -4 both side, and that will be how much? Y2 is equal 12, or you can write y2 is equal 12. So 15 comma 12. These are the coordinates. Yeah, that's very easy. These are the coordinates for point B if these are the missing point. All right, that's how you will solve the problems. I'm giving you one question here. So let's say you're home, you are at home, and the coordinates here you don't know. You want to go to the school. The school coordinates are, let's say, 4 and -6. You have a midpoint, you stopped at a shop in the middle. This is a midpoint. At this shop, the coordinates are 2 and 0. What are the coordinates for home? Try this question by yourself and give me the answer. So I've wrote down the formula for you guys. The x coordinate for shop is x1 plus x2 over 2. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let's continue. So the x coordinate is 2 is equal. x1 we don't know, x2 is 4 over 2. And if you do the cross product, that will be 4 is equal x1 plus 4. You do minus 4 both side. So x1 will be equal how much? 0. Good. Now y coordinate for this is 0. Y coordinate is 0. Y1 we don't know. Y2 is negative 6. So that will be negative 6 here over 2. 2 multiplied 0 is 0 is equal y1 minus 6 plus 6 both side. Y1 is equal 6. That's your answer. So these are your coordinate. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 6. That's it for this video.